Hi friends, I am Ojal. I am studying in Podar International School in class 4th. Today I am going to recite question answers of an English poem. Name of the poem is 20 Froggies, written by George Cooper. Before watching this video in detail, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. New words. First, bullfrog. Second, stern. Third, nobly strive. Fourth, dodge. Fifth, polished in high degree. Sixth, logs. Seventh, rushing. Eighth, vests. Ninth, rule. 10th, brave. 11th, leap. 12th, drive. 13th, out. Word galaxy. First, bullfrog, meaning large frog with a loud, deep voice. Second, stern, means strict. Third, nobly strive, meaning work honestly. Fourth, dodge, meaning avoid by a sudden, quick movement. Fifth, polished in a high degree, meaning highly educated. Sixth, logs, meaning parts of the trunk or a large branch of a tree. Fill in the blanks by choosing the words given in the box. Options: strive, strict, on time, dodge. First, hurry up. If we do not reach the bus stop, dash, we will miss the bus. Answer: on time. Second, the synonym for stern is dash. Answer: strict. Third, the froggies learn to dash blows from sticks. Answer: dodge. Fourth, I will dash for peace and prosperity, said the newly crowned king to the people. Answer: strive. Rhyming words. First, school, pool. Second, green, clean. Third, day, play. Fourth, stern, turn. Strive, dive. Blow, throw. Last, fast. Frogs, logs. First one, where was the school located? Answer: the school was located down beside a rushing pool. Second one, how many froggies went to school? Answer: 20 froggies went to school. Third one, what were the froggies wearing? Answer: they were wearing clean white vests with green coats. Fourth one, how was Master Bullfrog? What did he teach? Answer: Master Bullfrog was brave and stern. He taught them how to dodge a stick thrown by bad boys. He also taught them to work honestly. Fifth one, what rules did the froggies learn? Answer: they learned to be on time and also learned to study first and then play. Sixth one, what do the froggies do now that they have grown up? Answer: now that the froggies have grown up, they teach other little froggies what they had been taught. Seventh one, where did the froggies sit after they turned into bullfrogs? Answer: the froggies sat on logs after they turned into bullfrogs. Question number 8. Answer the following questions by choosing from the options given below. A. The froggies' school was dash. Option 1. Near the pond. Option 2. Down beside a rushing pool. Option 3. Not very far. Option 4. Beside a church. The correct option is down beside a rushing pool. B. The froggies wore vests which were dash. Option 1. Green and clean. Option 2. White and clean. Option 3, white and green. Option 4, blue and clean. The correct option is white and clean. C1. The Froggies grew up to become dash. Option 1, big toads. Option 2, handsome princess. Option 3, bullfrogs. Option 4, teachers. The correct answer is bullfrog. D1. The Froggies wanted to play dash. Option 1, before reaching school. Option 2, after reaching school. Option 3, before their study. Option 4, after their study. The correct answer is after their study. Okay friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends. If you have a comment for me, write in the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.